Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the game category for your live on the Kick website. So now all you need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any web browser. After that you will need to search for kick.com. So we search for it kick.com and now it will access us or to give us the access to the website. Now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, and if you do not have already an existent account you will need just to click on sign up. So basically you can just sign up with your email and add other informations, your personal informations, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple accounts. In my case I'm just going to sign up with your Google account and I'm going to choose the account with whom I would sign up. I will add just a username and I'm going to give some informations. I will just give random informations as follow, and you click on save, and then you accept the term of services and the policies of the website, and then you will be able to access to the website. And now all it remains to do is to follow these simple steps. And now after that you access the Kick website, you will need just to go to your creator dashboard so you can see your streaming. And basically after you go to the streaming, all you need to do is to click on edit stream info so you can change the game category. And here you can change the game category and give it any category that you want, for example like this one, and of course you give your streaming, your titles, etc. You click on save, and now your streaming has everything that you want, or it has like the informations that you want to have. And after clicking save, now you have your game category that has been changed successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.